What does our microbiome have to do with outdoor environments? A lot, it turns out. Do you want to know more? Hi, I'm Dr. Rashmi Kulkarni, co-founder of Next Solutions. If we talk about our microbiome diversity, we have talked about this before. Our microbiome is our invisible organ. We need a very good diversity in order for this organ to perform very well. So what can we do to improve the diversity? Well, a very simple thing to do is to spend more time outdoors. How can it help with microbiome diversity? Let us break it down into 5 simple points. So the first important thing to remember is that where does our microbiome really come from? Majority of the microbiome comes from our external environment. So this external environment is the environment we interact with, which is soil, plants, water, the air that we breathe, and the food that we eat. So yes, we are still eating the food indoors and there's not much we can change about it, but we can change the environments that we are exposed to in order to get the most microbial diversity. So this means spending time outdoors, interacting with soil, doing gardening, taking a walk in parks, exposing our feet to the soil, to plants, looking at plants, walking on grass, being very close to nature. So when we do all of these, what happens is that we are getting all of this diversity of the microbiome. Isn't that a very important reason? Because if we look at what it does, the second thing is that if we want to be healthy, we want our microbiome to be performing in an amazing way. We want our microbiome, our invisible organ, to do all of the functions that it is supposed to do. And we need a very, very diverse microbiome if we want that. The third thing to remember is that if we have a diverse enough microbiome, which is doing all of the functions that we need for our body, we will be able to get all of the nutrients, we'll be able to make the vitamins, absorb the minerals, support our immune system, and everything that is required for our body to be functioning smoothly. And what does that mean? It means that we will be able to prevent a lot of chronic diseases, our risks of allergies, our risks of infections when we do that. So isn't that a very good reason why we should choose outdoor environments? The fourth important thing to know is that when we spend time indoors, if you compare the indoor versus outdoor environment, think about what you do indoors. We are constantly cleaning or sterilizing all kinds of surfaces with disinfectants. We are washing our hands with antimicrobial hand washes, antibacterial hand washes. And we do that with all kinds of surfaces, including our bodies, our teeth. We use antibacterial or antimicrobial products. So all of the surfaces inside our houses are too clean, they are too sterile. So we don't get any microbes or germs from these environments. But when we go outside, it's the complete opposite of that. We get a high enough exposure of germs when we do that. So what is the fifth thing that we need to know? That the best prescription for good health is exposure to nature. That is the best prescription that we can have in order to improve our health. Is it something that you already do? If not, start today. So the challenge today is that we should include some kind of an outdoor activity, and if we choose different kinds of outdoor environments every week, we can document what is happening. If we try different kinds of outdoor environments every week and document the effects on how we feel, how our health is, it can have a great impact. Do try it today.